So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another video. Office files not opening and Teams not loading. Don't reinstall Office before checking service health. Before assuming your PC is broken, check what exactly is failing. Office web files, Teams stuck loading, shared documents, multiple apps inside Microsoft 365 not responding. If more than one app is affected, it may not be a local issue. Now try opening Teams or Office files on another device or browser. Also try switching networks from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot. If the issue happens everywhere, it is likely not your PC. Now if you are an admin, go to Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Then Health, then Service Health. This shows whether Microsoft is currently having an outage affecting Teams, Outlook or Office web apps. If you are not an admin, you may need to ask IT or your organization to check this. In some cases, Microsoft publishes service updates or incident reports through official status pages or admin notifications. Always rely on official Microsoft communication, not social media rumors. If Microsoft 365 is down, avoid wasting time on local fixes. These will not fix a server-side outage. While waiting for service recovery, you can refresh the browser. Try Teams web or desktop, restart the Teams app, check internet connection, or sign out and back in. But do not ever troubleshoot if multiple users are affected. Once Microsoft confirms the issue is resolved, then check your device. Clear Teams cache if needed. Reassign into My Office apps and repair Office installation if only your device is still broken. If Office or Teams stop working, don't assume your PC is a problem. First, check if it affects multiple users, then check Microsoft 365 service health, and only then start local troubleshooting if the service is confirmed healthy. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.